Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to clean humidifier filters. I have here 2 filters from last year. They are dirty and dry. I am going to show you how to clean them. I am going to use bleach with water. Pour amount of water to 1 bleach. Why did I use bleach? I used bleach because bleach high ability to kill bacteria and powerful disinfectant too. Don't do like that, because you will damage the filter. Do like that. Leave the filters in the bleach 1 hour after that, rinse them. The second step. I am going to use vinegar. Why did I use vinegar? I used vinegar because vinegar can take out calcium deposited on the filter. Leave the filters in the vinegar 2 or 3 hours after that, rinse them. Leave them to dry. Can you see that? They all look like new. Thank you for watching.